So this is my own recipe for air-fried chicken wings. So I've marinated overnight in just some regular milk. I didn't have buttermilk. So I put some pepper and some garlic granules and some salt. And I just left that in there overnight. And here I'm using semolina flour, mainly because I had so much of it from making pasta over the summer. And in this I mix some pepper, some salt, and some more garlic granules. I like to use garlic granules. They add a different type of garlickiness to things. So there goes the garlic. Give it all a stir. At this point then I'm thinking, I could add something else. And I find some sesame seeds. I've got some white sesame seeds and also some black sesame seeds. I just like to bung in anything. If I had any chili flakes, I would probably put in some chili flakes there too, just to add a little bit of kick. All right, so then I'm putting in the chicken wings, just coating it with the semolina flour, and I'll put that in a little holding tray for the time being. They've already done a few. There, all of them are done, and they're ready to go in the air fryer. So this is my air fryer. It's got some information about how long to cook for things. It's a rough guide. That's what it looks like inside. It comes with a shelf. I'm just going to put them all on the bottom for now. I won't be able to fit them all in, so I'm going to do, I think, about 6 at a time. All right, so I've put in, got 8, I think. Let's see how this goes. Gonna cook it at 190 for 8 minutes, and I'll check on it when the timer goes. While I'm waiting, I think I'll boil up my raw chicken milk to make a nice chicken. No, I don't think I'll bother actually. No, thought I could smell them cooking a bit too quickly, so I took them out. I can see I've overstacked it, so I'm gonna have to readjust. Let's see how that works out. So it just beeped to show me the 8 minutes was elapsed, and it's looking pretty good. I'm putting it in at a lower temperature, and I'll give it a bit longer now. That's a bit more. And I'll give it 15 minutes before I check it again. Just going to check on them one more time. That looks pretty good. I want to make sure they're crispy all the way around though. I'm just going to rearrange them. This should go on the bottom. 2 more minutes on a high heat. Good. So 200 for 2 minutes. Go. Okay, it just finished beeping. Can you hear the sound of the chicken? Okay. Well, I shall take them out. I have cooked them without oil, but they will still be oily. So I'm going to let them out
get them out. They're all cool. I will check one of them to see how it is on the inside. Oh god, I'm stuck. And it's left quite a bit of a mess at the bottom, but that won't be too difficult to clean up. Okay, I'm just gonna open one up. See what it's like inside. Well, it's hot. Certainly hot. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. And just have some vegetables, chopped up some courgette. So I'm just going to check on them. Looking pretty good, not sticking. Yeah, all right. Let's finish it off.